Tipping points. Imagine you have a tower made of cookies. Each cookie makes the tower grow a little. However, at some point, the tower becomes so tall that it becomes unstable. Then a single cookie can make the difference, and the tower collapses. This is what we call tipping points. The consequences of this can be severe and fatal.
There are also such tipping points in the climate system. If we continue to heat the Earth, we will reach a point where small changes have large, irreversible consequences. An example of this is the melting of glaciers and ice caps. They store vast amounts of water and cool the Earth by reflecting sunlight. However, the more ice melts, the faster our planet heats up, and the sea level rises, a dangerous cycle that reinforces itself.
Not only ice and water are affected, but ecosystems are also thrown out of balance. An ecosystem is an interaction of plants, animals, and their environment. Everything is interconnected. Plants and forests absorb CO2 and release oxygen. They are vital allies in the fight against climate change. But when temperatures rise and droughts increase, forests die off and ecosystems fail. As a result, less CO2 is stored, and even more is released into the atmosphere. Another dangerous cycle that continues to drive global warming.
To prevent exactly such cycles, the Paris Climate Agreement was adopted in 2015. Almost all countries in the world have agreed that global warming should be limited to a maximum of 1.5 degrees compared to pre-industrial times. Because the hotter it gets, the more tipping points can be reached, with consequences that we can no longer stop.